Oh. Hey, I said be careful. What?
Hi.
Hi.
I'm looking for Punkin.
Punkin?
Mm-hmm.
Haven't seen him in about a week. Took off with his so-called manager on tour up in Oakland. Piece of shit hasn't called once. Why?
He said that I can come by and record a song. So yeah. But if he's not here, it's all good. Thanks. Sorry about that. Yeah.
Hey.
Hey. Sorry. I forgot to give him something. Is it possible if I can leave it with you? Do you have like a bag I can put it in, like a piece of paper that I can write a note on?
Sure. Bear, what are you doing?
Thanks. Turn around, this. This.
He be right there. He be right there.
I know.
Cool. Awesome. Sorry for wasting your time. Thank you so much.
Yep.
Hey, little man, how are you? Sorry. I hope you have a nice...
Oh. No, no, no.
Them days